two, three. Hey, what's up, YouTubers? It's the Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. Aha! Today we're doing some Aha from Norway. Take on Me. Great song. Okay, so I decided to put a cape on too, so we get all these nice open chords. Cool, let's get to it. The song is in A minor. 1, 2, 3. Get D major. G major. 1, 2, 3. C major. 2, 3. Then a B over C. That's the main part for the verses. A minor, G, C, over C, A minor, D, C, over C. And then at the end we go to E minor, to C. And that's going to take us to the verse, which is G major, D, E minor, C major, D, E minor, C. And at the end of the chorus, we go to D, C, and back to D, and then we have verse. Alright, so the intro is just A minor. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. For the vocals, we do A minor D in the intro. And also, that happens again after that bridge. Anyway, okay. That, get the down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. G, C, D, A, minor, D, C, D, A, minor, D, F, E minor to C, chorus G, D, minor, 2, 4, 4, 3. To F. F major, 7. F major, 1, 2, 3. B minor, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 again. That was 2 times. And then A minor. To D. Back to the intro. That's the form. That's where it is. That's all the parts. All right, so let's go over everything one more time before we end the lesson. Intro, A minor, just starts on A minor, and then A minor, D, G, C, B, and at the end, A minor, D, A minor, D, and then the verse is the same: A minor, D, G, C, D, and then it ends with E minor to C. Chorus, G, D, E minor, C. And ends with G, D, C, D. And the bridge, B minor, F. B minor, F. A minor, D. Cool. Awesome tune. Fun on the acoustic. Thanks, guys. See you tomorrow. Be safe. Take it easy.